The Microbial Worlds exhibit is a collection of works created by 13 different artists who are focusing on different aspects of the microbial world, from their visual beauty to their ubiquity, how widespread they are in nature, and many of the important roles that they play in human and environmental health.
This is a group of 16 artists, and over a period of 16 months, they spent time with a group of scientists. So their work is really very well informed, and they've taken those scientific studies and reinterpreted them in their media.
Think about time, not just seconds ticking away on your wrist, but whatever it was before Earth was assembled, when there was nothing, and then there was something. Some vast expansion, a singular event when time began its measured ply. 1 billion years and then another, until the first minuscule microbe rose from chemical stew, deciphered the sun's energy, and made its own food.
We worked with scientists and learned a lot of different things. And the work that I did for the show, I told a story. I tried to, within the piece, talk about sometimes things over time or that sort of thing, so that people would have a better understanding of what's going on in just an ordinary landscape.
My medium are found objects. There are pieces of junk and pieces of old things that I don't care what they are, but I work with them and arrange them in architectural spaces to emphasize the relationship to one another and light.
The greatest level of diversity that we have in life is within the microbial world. And it's also kind of an amazing world full of gee whiz discoveries of things that are otherwise invisible that you might not think of. And then once you look into a microscope or take a sample and grow it, you start to realize how much is really out there and all the important things that those microbes are doing, such as helping with the carbon and nutrient cycles for the ecosystem, keeping plants healthy, keeping humans healthy, and even cleaning up contaminated soil and water.
Well, we're dealing with a global pandemic right now, which I'm sure hasn't gone unnoticed by anyone. And I think it's a time when we've got a global pandemic, we talk about our own gut microbiomes, the influence they have on us. I think we're becoming so much aware of how we're influenced by microbes and how important they are to our well-being.
Well, I hope that when people leave the exhibit, that they feel astonished by what they've learned about the microbial world through the eyes of all the IGOC artists. And after viewing the exhibit, that they have new awarenesses that spark their curiosity about the natural world, and that what a mysterious, wondrous intersection and relationship we have with microbes in our lives and how they influence us.